Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 of Laravel PostgreSQL tutorial in which we are working on the CRUD operations. So in this part we are going to work on the delete functionality. Okay, so let's start. So this is very simple. We are going to first modify here in the index blade file. Here we are going to add the delete button. Okay, so here is the code that we can find under video. So these few steps we can take. Here I'm going to modify these buttons. Okay, so I'm going to open the index blade file and will modify the buttons. Both the buttons I will modify because both we are going to here show, we need to show both. Okay, otherwise we can also show only this form as well, but it will not look perfect. Okay, here we can see that if we will add this because here we require the form. Okay, for delete functionality we require the form here because we want to use here the separate route. We will use here the user dot destroy. So destroy is the function. When we have created the resource controller, we can see that function automatically gets created. Here you can see the destroy. So in this destroy we can see that we are going to delete, we are going to add the delete operation here. Okay, so this is the destroy route that we have added here, so that it will automatically go to the this here in this function. Okay, means control will automatically go from here to this function via our route. Okay, that we have created earlier. So so here you can see, here also we need to specify the user id as well. That user id we are going to pick from here so that we can delete that specific record. Okay, so here we need to align this one. Okay, I'm going to align it as well. uh, and here you can see the button as well with the delete. And here if I will refresh here, then you can see, so it is not looking good. So we need to add here the table like we have added here. We need to add here the table. So we can add this one like this table. I'm going to add this table, and this link I'm going to pick from here and will add here. Okay, I'm going to, so this one I'm going to remove, earlier one I'm going to remove. Okay, that is not required now. So now I'm going to check that whether it looks fine or not. Yes, now it looks fine. You can see the edit link as well as the delete. Okay, so here so after this we are going to modify this function where we are sending that user id. So we are going to delete that record with the delete object. Okay, so this is the query that we are going to use. We are going to check with this id and going to delete that. Okay, so after that we are going to return with this message, user deleted successfully. So we are going to check now. So here we are going to click on delete. Let's see. Yes, it has been deleted, you can see, but the message is not coming. And because here we don't have any success message here, so that's why it is not coming here. I think we have maybe deleted in the last part, we are going to see. And also one more thing we need, we left in the last part. Here we are going to add this section that will update the layout in a better way. So here I'm going to close this section as well, and here you can see now it will give the spacing. Okay, everywhere. And also I'm going to check out for that that success function that maybe we have added earlier. I'm going to look out for that, or we can copy from the create blade file as well. Okay, we have already added this success function. So success, and here this one I'm going to add it here as well. Okay, we can add it here. So let's see if it will work fine. So now I'm going to delete this one, Steve. And yes, now it is working fine. User deleted successfully, success message is now coming. Okay, so actually we have earlier added in the create blade file, we have not added in index blade file. So now I have added in index blade file as well, so that we can intimate the user that that the user has been deleted. Okay, So this is the delete part of the CRUD functionality. CRUD is now complete. Okay, you can see. So it is now complete. We able to do this CRUD operation both with Laravel 11 and PostgreSQL, and very soon we are going to start with other things as well that will help us, and we are going to make the project with Laravel as well as the PostgreSQL. We will continue the series, but in the next part we are going to use the Dartable for this one, that will make the layout even better. Okay, so stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.